presents the development work we are completing regarding date stamp and viewing different positions in time of the key dial. This has come about by me noticing as I visit sites that on the wall there's key dial printouts over time. Site may print this out on a monthly basis to map their journey and progress. Although each element of the key dial can be broken down and reported on over time, it's important from a snapshot point of view to understand the progression of the RAG and the journey to date. The position is that you have two icons to the right hand side. The first icon enables you to select any date in time from the key dial being created to the live date. So you click on the box and select any time. So clearly as the key dial's been going for 1, 2, 3 years, then you can actually say where were we 2 years ago by simply selecting a date. You select a date, any date, and you click the dial. The dial then goes away and calculates where we are now and where we were on that particular date in time. Clearly on this example you can see there's been a massive progression between these dates. You can also click on the matrix button, and the matrix button gives you the full breakdown of the actual dial down here, and you get the current date and you get the selected date. So you can actually see in a report format the detail of the key dial sections. You can press the print icon and you can get a print out of the particular selection. Even on this area, if you want to find out, you just want to print out the learners and the leadership, then you can close the other sections down, and that's it. And if you print that, you get that report. So it's quite flexible and it's quite visual. So if we go back to the key dial and go into the calendar icon, the calendar icon enables you to select a number of dates over time, and each one is configurable separately. So it can be weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually, whatever you would like it to be. And when you selected the dates and you press dial, what this does, it goes away and produces renders the page with the dates you've selected, and then recalculates the position of the key dial at that time and presents in this format. So you can scroll through time to see progression. I mean, this is a visual aid, so maybe a governance and senior management level, but it does give you some indication of where you were. On the top left, we've got a number of options. It defaults to 2, so that's 2 key dial presentation. If you select the 3, what that will do is render the page with 3 columns. So it'll recalculate, present the dates in 3 columns as it's doing now, and then it will calculate the key dials and present it in that format. So a highly visible tool. If you want more detail and you select the 1 button, this will actually render the page as a single key dial. So it presents the dates in a single column, goes away and filters the RAG position on those dates and presents the key dial. Because it's a single key dial, you can actually see the names within the segments, so it enables you to go through that. You've got the option to have the matrix, so you press the matrix button, and what you've got again is the dates along the top. You've got the live date and the dates that you've selected and the position of the segments as you go through. Clearly this gives you other option to see where we are, and we can press print and you can get a report from that at any time. That's the functionality of the key dial data stamp. Thank you.